This is a beautiful 67 GTO, and man, I've always loved the GTO growing up. 67 really, what some may argue, is the year that the muscle car era really kicked off and really started getting traction. Big step up from 66, had a 389 in 66, moved it up to a 400, also had a high output option which gave you a higher lift cams and a freer flowing exhaust manifold. But man, this thing is really sweet. 67 was the year that this car was chosen as Motor Trend Car of the Year, and I really always loved the GTO, so check it out. Also, check out this awesome interior. This thing's super clean, and I just love the black with the wood. Also had like an oil pressure gauge back then, and this thing was just really sweet for its year and still sweet today.